Want to make your Facebook post stand out with a stunning 3D photo? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to do it effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're in, head over to the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap What's on your mind. To start creating a new post, select Photo, Video to upload an image. You can either pick a photo from your gallery or tap the camera icon in the top right corner to capture a new one. Once your photo is selected, tap Done to continue. To apply the 3D effect, look for the Make 3D option at the top of your photo. Alternatively, you might find a 3D option under Effects. Just tap that. Facebook will automatically convert your image into an engaging 3D photo that moves as viewers tilt or scroll through their screens. That's it. Your 3D photo is ready to grab attention and impress your friends. If you enjoyed this tutorial, tap the like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful Facebook tips. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.